Right, so we're just going to pick up where we left off, and this is going to be your part 1 of Principles of Design. And what we're going to do first is just have a quick look at page properties. Now from here you can just edit the way that your website is going to look. We usually do it from the CSS file, which will embed some appearance code, you might like to call it, into your document. Now you can use this as well, but this isn't actually the standard way of using editing your layout and stuff within your website, so we're going to just stick on using Apperance with the CSS. You can also change your links, your headings, titles, everything from right here. So we're going to pick the font Career and have the size, just the standard size 12. The text color will have white, and instead of choosing a background color we're going to choose an image. Now once you've selected your image, you click OK. You can actually apply it and you can see it's changed. So once that's changed, you're going to want to make your links a different color, so that later when we do come on to the other section of the tutorials, hyperlinks, you'll be able to see a clear difference between what is a link and what isn't. So we'll do that in a gold, and we'll do, once it's been visited, we'll make it orange, and we'll just apply that now, and OK. So if you just type freely here, VT4KS3. Right, so what we've done there is we've just done a quick writing, and as you can see the preferences that we put in page properties has actually worked. So your writing has come up and it's white. Now what we want to do is we're going to have a quick look at, well, this is going to be your first look at your coding, and it might look a bit complicated now, but it won't be soon. So right here, this is your CSS, the background that we changed and stuff. So as you can check, background image, and there the URL, that's basically just the location of where the image is. And then we picked size 14 and bold. Also it tells you the font type and the font size again, and the color, which we put white. A link, the color of the link, which was gold, that's represented by this, and the visited, which is represented by this. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to have a quick change to this code. So when you do type here, it will come up with a P with these kind of arrow brackets. So what we're going to do is we're going to change that to H1, and then we're going to do H1 here, but with the bracket, the forward slash. With the forward slash, that's just basically breaking the code off so it stops. And right now that just stands for heading 1 start, heading 1 stop. So that's our heading. Now if we switch back to design by clicking just this button here, you're back to your site. Right click, page properties, and then you can go to your headings and you can click heading 1 we'll change that to size 18 just to test if it's working, and also to the colour red. Now if we apply that, you can see it's changed. It's now red and it's size 18 pixels. Now you can change the units, so you can have it to centimeters, which will come out really big, but we'll just stick to pixels. Apply and OK. So if you go back into your code, or split it so you can see both, you can now see that H1, which we added in our page properties, if we quickly switch back to it, heading 1, size 18, which is here, and the colour red, which is F00, represented here. And we've applied that, and for heading 2, it's just the same, so we'll have 18, red, and for heading 3 we'll do 16, green. And we can apply that, and it changes here too. So it tells you the properties for each heading. Apply and OK. So now what we'll do is we'll tab down and we'll just test out our headings. So we'll do PT for KS3. Now like we did before, we'll put H, but 2 and 2 this time because this is our second heading, and you always put the / in first, and you put H, and you can click on 2 here and enter. Once you've done that, it'll automatically change to whatever we've set H2 up as. And then we'll just test out heading 3 as well. PT for KS3, and same principle, H3 and H3. So once you've done that, as you can see, it's turned green. So that's just a quick overview on what you can do with the page properties tool, and from there you can literally just change how the website looks, what the font is, what the colour will come out like, and there you go. That's your second tutorial on principles of design, and in the next one we'll be going through layering tools and tabs and everything like that. Thank you, bye.